Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide photos in your gallery in your XIAOMI 12T Pro. First of all, open your gallery, standard application for this phone. And now, got it. And now select some photos, what you want to hide. For example, this, okay, got it. This one, these 4 photos, okay. And now on the bottom we got add to album button, tap it, and from the list choose your private album. Now we got information. To view the items you made private, swipe down in albums. Okay. And now we need to log in into our XIAOMI cloud, tap next, choose your albums to sync, maybe only camera, and tap sync in with XIAOMI account. Here you can sync in with email or phone and password, or another way it's Facebook or Google. I'm synced in with my Google account, so tap to our Google account and wait a second. And now need set up our privacy password, so maybe this one, and need to confirm this password again. Now tap next. Not now. Okay, and now we hide our 4 photos. Now go to album, press and hold and drag to top, and here we got information. Release to open private folder. Release, need to enter our privacy protection password. And here we got our hidden photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.